Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing okay. I'm not. I've done my back in. It's the 29th of May and it's the start of the weekend of the Vintage Nostalgia Festival, and I've been off this week anyway. I've been off work and I thought I'd give the GP a clean because obviously she's going with me. So I started to try and polish the engine cases. I'll see if I can show you over here. Oh, hang on. So I started, you can see that I've given that a bit of a polish there to try and make it look nice. But in the process, I was bent over and I've done my back in. So I'm dosed up on painkillers. The bike's only half as clean as I wanted it to be. I mean, I suppose it's presentable. It'll do the job. There's the GP and the RS200 looking splendid. Ready for tomorrow. Paul's busy fitting a mudguard to the YB100. Piece of same chairs.
So really this mudguard needs to come off to do this, because this is very fiddly. Yeah, what I did earlier, putting it on, and now really I'm thinking I should have just done this bit.
Well, it would help you by filming.
Yeah, I know you would. That's really helpful to everyone else on YouTube, but not really me.
So this is Thursday night, and they open it up for anyone that's camping to have a look around. The festival show sort of thing doesn't really start until Friday, but there's usually stuff going on in the marquee, and you can have a wander around. So that's what we're doing, a little wander around. But as you can see, there's not many people here at the moment. So this whole area here tomorrow will be full of cars and bikes, loads of classic cars. So we'll come back over and have a look tomorrow. But as you can see, lots of places still setting up all their stalls ready. Should be a good weekend if the weather holds out.
Fair enough. Very sad about that. I haven't done my hair yet.
Haven't you?
No.
No.
Normally at about 0900 hours I like to do personal care.
Morning. This is 20 past 8 I think, and the sun's shining. It's going to be lovely, isn't it?
Everybody's consent. You got everyone's consent. Have you
What?
got written consent?
No, it's a public area. I can film what I want in a public area.
Is that the law? Is it?
I think so. I think it's the law.
Surely you've checked
I'm
it.
sure
You
it
don't wanna
is.
find yourself- you don't want to find yourself in a legal dispute.
So I know about the rules in Germany because I had a company and we took pictures on the street from people and tried to sell the pictures after the theater when they came out to them.
Right.
And it is allowed
Okay.
so long until people come to you and say you
Don't.
want.
Yeah.
I don't want to delete the picture.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks, Vassia. I don't want.
Yeah, please delete.
I can't hear him. Can you hear him? I can't hear anything.
That's fine.
There you go. That's it. Keep
I mean, it needs to be relatively
Keep
clean.
going. Keep going. Yeah. Keep going. That's it. Yeah. Yeah.
This is how excited someone gets when they don't usually ever clean anything.
Well, it's the first time for everything, but look at that! Look at that! Oh, look at it!
Like new, mate.
Oh! Look at that! Oh! Oh!
Campsite's starting to wake up now. Smell of bacon in the air. I think we're going to go for a little ride later, aren't we?
Hope so.
Go for a little ride.
Well, it
Hope so.
rains, isn't it, tonight? I mean, I
Let's have a
would
big
do it
ride.
tomorrow. I mean, if you did them today, you wouldn't.
Yeah, I think the plan is to go for a little ride on the bikes around the country lanes and then take them into the show. I'll take you round and show you what it's all about. Actually, I just thought, are we going to get done for copyright? If I put this up on YouTube?
I wrote it.
Oh yeah, we won't get done for copyright, no one will recognise it.
It's called Hotel Winterslow. It's about going up a highway. Well, a motorway.
Okay, so we're going to go for a little ride out. Just a bimble down the country lanes. So I always feel a bit strange when I'm not wearing kit, but you know, we're doing a maximum of 30 mile an hour, probably 30, 40 tops, but it's so hot and we just thought it'd be nice just to go for a little ride. If I was going out onto the main roads, I don't think I'd risk not wearing the kit, but on a ride like this, I think you can take a calculated risk and think you should be alright. That's famous last words, I know, but well, we'll see, won't we? Anyway, enjoy the two-stroke noises. I think it is straight on.
Germany? Hello, Berlin, Germany. I would like to speak to yes in Germany. Yes, goodbye. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye.
Right, Paul, just go straight up that road. Yeah. Just straight along, then you don't have to go down and up. All right.
But I will
Thank you.
Oh man, I keep my mouth shut now all the time. I don't. As soon as I went like that, I went boom, straight in. I went,
So, for the record,
go on.
did we enjoy the ride?
OMG.
Good
Did we enjoy the ride?
I did.
Yeah.
I did very much.
Excellent.
Wunderschön.
Right, you can sort of see it, can you? You can see us.
Sort of, yeah.
Yeah, well, if you can see us, we can see the camera. So just hold it like that. Never tried this before, so this could be fun.
We go for a round.
Right, ready?
Billions one step ahead of you.
Woohoo! Still recording. Is that a straight enough line for you?
Yeah, not for German. But I have to relax a little bit because I'm not at home. Hello ladies and gentlemen, very welcome to the Nostalgic Festival. Just watch the people amusing themselves. It's a pleasure.
So it's Saturday morning. It's the biggest day of the show really. So we're going to go for a little ride, get some fuel for the motorcycles and then put them over in the arena. Probably pop back and then get ready and then go over for the day. Spend the day in the field. I'll take some footage or some pictures of the cars that there are and the bikes that are over there as well. So see you in a bit. Yeah. Okay. Chuck us the wood, mate. Just a bit of wood, mate. I need to say hello to Malcolm. Hello. Hello. Do you know, there's so much here this year. I thought it was quieter last night and yesterday, but today there's so many cars here and so many bikes. It's really difficult knowing what to film. I mean, I could film for hours, but none of you would watch it, so it's kind of pointless. But I'll probably pop back later, take a few more pickies maybe, and yeah, see what it's like this evening. Oh, and for the record, Paul wanted us to pick the favourite bike, or the favourite car of our show, the car of the show for us, what we thought was the best. For me, it was that Mark 1 Escort Escort twin cam, without a doubt. Absolutely beautiful. And the couple that own that, I stopped and chatted to them for a little while, and they said they bought it, they've only had it a couple of years, and they bought it because they wanted something more modern. It's mad, isn't it? They had a pre-war AC soft top that they said they just weren't using, so they wanted to get something more modern that they'd use a bit more often. Fancy that. Sort of late 1960s Mark 1 Escort, and they're classing that as modern. So that's just about it for another vintage nostalgia weekend. Caravan's all tidy. Last bit of packing to do. Still got the tent to put away, but I'm letting that dry a bit. Bikes are in the back of the trailer. Lisa's doing some final bits and bobs. That's it. You had a good weekend?
Yeah, it's been great.
Good.
Hot, lovely.
Yeah, I know. Got a suntan. It's great.
It was a wonderful weekend, and I hope we can do it again.
Yes.
Oh, all weekend. Thank you for. Oh, what a lovely.
Do you want it? Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Right, with a mouthful of flapjack, I would say bye-bye. See you all again soon.
Wake up, a little Susie. Wake up, a little Susie. We gotta go home. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum-ba-dum-bum. Miga.